Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So in this video we will cover 3 stocks from EV sector which has a huge potential in coming weeks and years. So guys, I strongly believe that EV sector will be one of the biggest market in near future. So in this video we will cover 2 EV giants, Tesla and NIO, and we will also cover SBE, Switchback Energy. So what we are going to cover for these stocks, we will discuss about latest stock update, current trading price, and what will be my price target for these stocks by end of this year. So if you are interested in this information, then please make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Now before we go further into this video, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. The very few of you are watching the video are subscribing, so please do that. It will be huge support to this channel and it will give me immense motivation to make this kind of video and provide you all latest updates so you get all the information you require to invest into a stock market. So guys, now without further ado, let's get into a video and let's make some money. Alright guys, so let's talk about Tesla. So Tesla is an already proven successful business model and their growth from last year is unbelievable, and those who were early invested in Tesla and invest when the stock was around $50 or $100, they have made millions of dollars from Tesla. And Tesla is not only a successful model at this moment, but it is a very sustainable model through its primary subsidies. Now, Tesla has a huge government subsidies for EV in the past, and with the new government and new administration on board, they will get even better subsidies for electric vehicle, and they do have a support from Congress as well. Now, Biden administration has said over and over again for clean energy and their prioritization on making a clean energy vehicle more cheaper, so that will encourage more people to use the electric vehicles. And I think with the global warming situation all over the world, more countries and their government will be taking EV sector more seriously, and I think they will prioritize this issue in their agenda. So I strongly believe in Tesla company, and I think it will be one of the big player in an EV sector in the near future. And I think in next 10 years this company stock will be triple the amount of the current trade price. I strongly believe that this company will be $1 trillion company by next year. So now let's quickly see what Tasa K, the ARK analyst, has to say about Tesla, and then we will take a look at Tesla's current trading price and the opportunity we have to invest in Tesla. So let's look at this video first.
Yeah, well, I'd say in general, at ARK, as we've talked about before, we're long-term investors, and I think that's sort of the lens that you should put on innovation, is look to the long term. So a company like Tesla, the quarter-to-quarter results, we're not exactly tracking to them. I think there are 2 really important takeaways from the call that I took. The first is, if you look at electric vehicles broadly, which I think are the undeniable future of the auto industry. The Model S is it came out. The new Model S is going to have unbeatable range, 0 to 60 acceleration in less than 2 seconds. Most automakers are trying to catch up to the original Model S, and now you see this new variant. It really just highlights that Tesla's the leader here, and it's just going to become harder for other automakers to compete on price and performance. The second thing I'd note is for autonomous technology. When you look at Tesla's valuation, which is often sort of there's a lot of speculation about whether or not this makes sense. I think that as Elon said in the call last night, a lot of analysts aren't considering this opportunity in autonomous driving. At ARK Invest, we've done a lot of work on that. So we actually just put out our big ideas report, and we talk about the future of autonomous vehicles. I think the operating earnings to the platform providers like Tesla could be worth over $1 trillion globally by 2030. So this is a massive opportunity. Tesla's really a key player here, as they have probably the biggest data advantage out of anyone competing, and I think that's important perspective to keep.
So guys, as ARK analyst mentioned in this video, I also believe that how Tesla performs quarterly does not matter, because if you are a long-term investor in this company, and I strongly believe you should definitely be a long-term investor in this company, and if you hold your stock for a couple of years or 5 years or 10 years, this stock will give you tremendous gain over the years. Now, having said that, let's look at Tesla's current trading price. So Tesla closed on Friday evening at $793, and after hour it is trading at $787.90. Now I think this is a good price to get in if you don't have Tesla stocks in your portfolio, and in case this the stock dips further, even if this stock goes to 700 or 650, I would still hold my position, and if I have a fund, I would definitely add more share into Tesla and do my dollar cost average. So if this stock falls to 750 in this week, I will be definitely adding some share into my portfolio. I already own Tesla stocks for quite some time now, and definitely if I get more opportunity, I will add more shares and definitely gonna hold for long term. So my price prediction is Tesla will cross $1,000 by end of this year, and the sky is the limit for Tesla stock. So I am not going to sell my Tesla stock. I'm gonna hold for long term. But again, this is my view and my strategy. Please do your own research before you invest into any stocks, and please understand their company's model and the product, how it is performing, so that way you can make the best judgment on your investment. So let's look at the second stock in our list today, and that is NIO, ticker symbol NIO. So I made a video about NIO just a couple of days ago. So if you are interested, please watch that video. And also please make sure to subscribe to my channel, so as soon as I make any video about any stocks, you can get notified and stay up to date on latest news from stock market. So please check out my videos from my channel list. Now, having said that, let's look at NIO's new update and my price target for NIO. So last week, Nomura and Morgan Stanley both have upgraded their price target for NIO. And they both have suggested that NIO price target will be $80 per stock by end of this year. They both have said that the NIO is the leading EV company in the biggest EV market, and that is China. Another thing is NIO will be releasing their earning report sometime next month, and because of that, analysts are expecting that NIO price will go up. Now, as per the analyst reports, NIO will break another delivery record by 8 to 10,000 units. Now that is a significant news for NIO, and another big news for NIO is coming, that they are planning to build their second factory and also planning to expand their business in a European country. Now guys, I have already mentioned in my previous video that China is already committed to ban all fuel cars by 2035, and they are promoting electric vehicle in their country. Now I strongly believe that their government will support them, and they will definitely be a successful company in future, and that will definitely increase their stock price in a near future. So having said that, let's check out its current trading price and what will be my price target for NIO. So on Friday, NIO closed day by at $57, and after market it is trading $57.28. Now I'm a long-term investor in NIO, and I strongly believe that NIO will double its current price by end of this year, and the sky is the limit for NIO. So I will be definitely suggesting that if you don't have a position in NIO, then this is a good time to get into a NIO. And even if the stock price drop to $50 or even $45, I don't think it will drop to $45, but if it dipped to $45, that will be a great opportunity for us to invest into this company and get more stock and strengthen our portfolio. And I think this price will be a really good entry price for NIO, and it will make a really good investment in near future. So that's it for NIO, and let's check out our last stock in the list, and that is SBE, Switchback Energy. So Switchback will be a charge point in just a couple of weeks, and the charge point is the electric charging station company which is provide users to charge their electric vehicle, and they are expanding all over the US. Now let's talk about this article published on Motley Fool last week. So as per this article, shares of Switchback Energy and Acquisition have jumped today up to 10% as 3 p.m. after President Joe Biden announced yesterday that he planned to electrify the entire federal government's vehicle fleet, which consists an approximately 650 vehicles. Switchback Energy is the special purpose acquisition company that is merging with ChargePoint, the largest public charging network in the US. Now guys, as I mentioned earlier, that this Biden administration, the new administration, is committed towards the clean energy, and they will be definitely supporting these companies, and the EV sector itself is a very promising sector and it has a huge growth potential. And as people will more using electric vehicle, the charge point and their charging station will have their own unique value. So I think this is really good for this company. Now let's go further into this article. So the president said, and I quote, "The federal government also own enormous fleet of vehicle which we're going to replace with clean electric vehicle made right here in America, made by American workers." So as per this article on Campaign Trail, Biden had expressed support of various clean energy initiatives to combat climate change. He had previously committed to installing 550,000 charging stations across the US, as that charging infrastructure would be the critical to promote EV adoption. Now, as I mentioned, as people will more use electric vehicle, the charging station will play a vital role in EV market, and that's where the Switchback Energy slash the ChargePoint have a huge potential to grow their business model, and how they will provide their service will be critical to see, but I think they have a huge growth potential in near future. So I have already invested in this company and I will let you know how many shares I have. But first of all, let's look at the current trading price for Switchback Energy. So SBE is currently trading at $38.06. It is down 3.72% on Friday, and it is jumping between $35 to $45 range from last 1 month. I have my 200 share of Switchback Energy at $30, and I'm planning to add more shares if this the price drop between $30 to $32. So anything near to $30 is really good, the entry point. But I strongly believe that if you are holding this stock for a long term, it doesn't matter you are getting at $30 or $35, you will definitely make gain from this company. Now my price target would be $70 by end of this year, and I'm being very conservative about my price target. I think this company will be huge player in EV market in coming years, and the sky is the limit for this stock as well. So guys, these are my 3 EV stock I'll be more focusing on this week. So please let me know what do you think about this stock in the comment section, and if you have any update regarding this stock, please share with our community. That will definitely help a lot of people. So if you like this video, then please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Very few of my viewers are subscribing to my channel. As you see, I have just started this channel, so I need a lot of support from you guys. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I update any new video, you get notified and you get all required information to invest into a stock market. So thank you so much again for watching my video. I'll see you all in next video. Until then, peace.